Je vais vous présenter une personne qui a, comment je dirais, qui a expérimenté le pancréas artificiel. Alors, Evelyne Pytka, qui est nutritionniste au Montreal Children et qui a le diabète de type 1. Alors, I will ask you, Evelyne, to talk about your experience with the artificial pancreas.
Thank you. Can you hear me? So I've had diabetes for 25 years, and when I was first approached about being a participant in this study, I have to say that I thought very hard about it and almost backed out a few times, because those of you who have diabetes know the word control figures very largely in what we have to do every day, and I was actually quite terrified of turning over my control to an engineer and a couple of insulin pumps. And I really did almost back out a few times. The first part of the study for me involved using the artificial pancreas, and I would say that when I did my exercise on the bicycle, which was nothing unusual for me, I bicycle all the time, everything was fine. But I think where it really hit home for me was when I sat down to the delicious tomato lasagna that you referred to. And for the first time in 25 years, I didn't have to stop and take my own blood sugar. I didn't have to stop and take my bolus or inject when I was on injections. I had a pump. And somebody else did it all for me. And it was hard to let go of that, I must confess. But it was actually, for me, it was a very profound moment in my time, in my life as someone living with diabetes. And I've said to my husband many times, I've never had a vacation. Not sure I would call it a vacation here overnight, having myself poked every 10 minutes for blood. But it was actually quite an incredible experience. And I've often joked a lot with the families that I work with and said, well, you know, you might be lucky enough that there will be a cure or some miraculous treatment in the lifetime of your child. Hopefully, maybe there will be something in my lifetime. But I think for those 15 hours there, I actually felt that it was possible that maybe there will be something in my lifetime, and I hope to be in the best possible condition, best possible health to be able to benefit from that. You know, I think there are limitations with the technology, but I actually would like to say thank you for doing this research, because it's important, and I think people with type 1 diabetes are often forgotten because we hear so much about type 2 diabetes. And I don't know what it would be like to actually turn everything over 100% to an engineer and to pumps, but I am actually, for the first time in my 25 years with diabetes, actually feeling very hopeful that there may be something in my lifetime, and actually I want to say thank you.